Alright, what's up guys? Today, in this video, we're going to be totally redoing my Ouxi V8 electric bike. It's currently December 6th. Hopefully, I got a lot of parts coming for Christmas. But for now, we're going to get it tore down so we can paint the frame. So, that's what we're going to do. We're going to start tearing the whole thing down. So yeah, let's get to it. These are all the tools we got right here. We're gonna go ahead and start out by taking off the back tire. That's why we're parking it till Christmas, because the tire's on its last leg. It's toasted and it's snowing out. Oh. There we go, should be on there a little bit better now. I'm gonna go grab some tools to make this job go a little faster. Boom. This is for my trailer, for when I'm mowing lawns and such. All that, boom, right off. But you just grab your 10mm wrench. Boom, you just have to rotate the axle. That derailleur covers off, that goes off. I don't have my derailleur anymore. And then that just pushes off, just like that. Boom. Now the tire's off there. That is good, that's good. Oh my gosh. Alright. Let's go ahead. We got the tire off. Let's go ahead and just pop off this kickstand, and then it should just stand. This is the old Bosch impact. This bad boy does not have too much power. So this should stand on its own. Of course the derailleur side's taller. Put it right there. Alright, let's go ahead and take off this chain guard. Oh, I don't know if we're going to be able to get the crank off. Well, let's just go ahead and take off the chain guard first, and see what it needs after that. Alright, perfect. We're just gonna go ahead, throw these back in here. I'm running a 180mm rotor, so I have to stack like 6 washers on each side. So that's fun. He smacked me so hard. Alright, the LDI plate in the headlight is coming off. Here's the plate. Here's the light. The grip. Here's the throttle. Throw these in the parts pile. We got the headlights, the ODI off. Front brakes. That right there. Headlight buttons off. Rear brakes off. Display button can't come off yet. We gotta get the display off. I'm just gonna pull off the whole handlebars when I do that, so that'll be good. Got all these bolts out. Boom, we got the bars off. Go right over here. Oh. So a few more things to do, and then we'll be good to go. Alright, I got a long way since the last thing I videoed. The frame is all the way down for the most part. We still have the chain. I literally just gave the chain breaker back to my uncle today, so I'm going to have to get that back tomorrow. And the pedals, I don't even know what I'm going to do there, but I have to get the sprocket and this off. I literally tried beating it. It's like bent. But once I get the pedals and the crank off and the sprocket, I'll just tape it. So once I get those two things off, I'm just gonna have to give it a little wash, sand it. We're gonna go to Ace Hardware to get the primer and the spray paint tomorrow, and then we'll be good to go. Start putting it back together. We have to wait till Christmas, so we'll get all the mods, hopefully get those on there. So yeah, I got the first coat of green on. It is looking amazing. I'm gonna let this dry, get a few more coats on there, let those dry, clear coat it, and that'll be good to start putting it back together. Alright, it's a few days later, but I got it all painted up, all cleared. It's down in the basement. For some reason on the camera it looks a lot brighter. It's a lot darker in person. It looks pretty good. You know, looks pretty nice. There's a little bit down here. Yeah, you can see it a little. It's like all textury. So it's good. I'm gonna start slapping a few of the parts back on. You have like the forks. A few of the parts I'm gonna go ahead and slap back on there. But yeah, looks pretty good. The rest, I'm not gonna put it all back together. I have to wait for Christmas to get a lot of the stuff because, like, for Christmas, I'm hopefully getting new tires and stuff. I'm not gonna put this one on there. It's literally dead. I mean, it's like not showing cords yet, but it basically is. Quick little update. I got the battery holder thing on, and then I had to put the controller box on because I'm about to wire up the controller, like plug it in to this XT60 where the battery goes, but then I'd have nowhere to put the controller, so I got the battery box on there. Now I'm gonna go ahead start putting the controller and stuff on there. Alright, big update here. We got side panels on, got the controller in there, the wiring somewhat done. And this on there, that's all wired up. Just gotta run it up there. It's not 100% wired up. We got the forks on. We got the stem on there. We got the side plates on there. So that's a big update. Got a few more things to do. Probably put on the pedals. Maybe start on the headlight. I got a few things to do. Probably put the seat, pedals, you know, crank. I can't do the handlebars or anything yet, or tires, because I'm not getting new that for Christmas, so I went ahead and threw on the pedals, the crank arms, the sprocket, and I threw on the pegs, the rear brake bracket. And yeah, might go ahead and throw on the seat, but I'm gonna throw on the seat, but then I'm probably gonna call it good for tonight and keep going tomorrow. I don't really have much more to do because I can't like put on the tires or anything yet because you're toast. So another update, I went ahead and threw on the seat and the ODI plate. This is a huge update. Last thing you saw from then, I think I put on the kickstand, bolted up the handlebars. I got everything on the handlebars. I switched it around a little. Handlebars are kind of beat up, but usually originally on this side had this the light switch. I moved that over here, so now this side just has the rear brake, the grip, and the power mode buttons, and this side has the light switch, front brake, throttle, and half grip. Hopefully I just put it on there temporarily. Hopefully for Christmas I'll be getting a full twist front brakes, hydraulic front brakes. But yeah, I got the front tire bolted up, I got the rear brakes, I got this. It's good enough. I'll redo it after I get the new bars. But yeah, I just got a little management on mostly just the brake line because the motor wire just gets ran right along there. So yeah, all I have left is a chain guard, rear tire, and these headlights, and then those are just like wiring, covers to clean it up a little. But yeah, I mean, the bike is pretty well good to go. I got the plate on there. I think you saw that in the last clip. But yeah, I got the bike entirely put together. We get the back tire on. We got the battery on. It works. I took it for a little spin around the basement. The only thing we have left is the lights, but what do you do? The only thing is the rear brake is rubbing a little bit. But, what do you do? I need to get a bigger bracket because I got a 180 millimeter brake rotor and it's too big, so I have to freaking stack up 6 spacers so the whole thing flexes over. So, bends the rotor. So we gotta get a little bit bigger one of those. And then another parts coming for Christmas, but yeah. It has been a hot minute since I have videoed anything on this bike. I haven't videoed anything since after Christmas, but I got a lot of parts for Christmas and I got all of them on there. So starting off, we got the fresh tires. These things are wicked. They have some huge lugs. The back's already worn down. Been doing a few burnouts, but up front, these things have some huge lugs on them. We got the headlight on there. Then we got these chrome handlebars, the chrome pit bike handlebars. They're looking amazing. We got full twist Sur-on throttle, hydraulic front brakes on there. And then come down here, we have the 180 millimeter rear brake bracket, so we don't have to stack up a bunch of washers anymore. We got a fresh chain on there. Still no derailleur. We don't need that. We got new pedals. They're supposed to be chrome, but they're not. They're more of like a gray. But they still look good. I think that's everything we got for Christmas. And this is going to be the end of the build. Eventually, I might get a seat cover, but not right now. Pit bike bars do not fit on the factory stem because the factory bars have a really fat spot right here. And it's only 7/8 up here, and this is like an inch and an eighth or inch and quarter or something. It's really fat, so you have to get the matching 7/8 stem to fit the pit bike handlebars. So that took a while to get in, but we got that in. So we got the whole build put together. So yeah, that's gonna be everything we did for the build. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and see you on the next one. Oh, and make sure you go check out O'Malley's Garage on TikTok. We just made a new TikTok, and we're trying to get to 100 followers. So make sure you go check out the TikTok. Thank you guys for watching, and let me know what you guys think of the bike in the comments.